Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
National President Jong Gaseng National People's Party baru balong ru kejo kopor Menteri Rangba ke Sarkar Jela Conrad Konggal Sangma haba keren halor ke Jingpyrshah Jong Presiden Barangba ke Seng Voice of the People's Party ya ke Jingkren Jong ulat ke Jela dakak Ktien Hindi hapo ke yeng dor bar thawan ke Jela mentak ke sengi ke arpauterik unai leber arajar arpulai Ulaong bakani kamdai ke rukom banle bat ke jingkimi lenti no unong yalam nalor bo ulat ke jela udang aye ke jingkren hapo ke yeng dorbar. Shushu hagni kasngi Conrad sangma ulaong ru bawat lada ubreu umla ban pulih ke Ktien pareng henrei ula sampat ke jingtho ke Ktien pareng kabala ban sngoto lang da baro hapo ke yeng dorbar thawan bat hap ban pliang ye ke jingkren kat bakum ke jingla jong u ban pulih padu Conrad sangma ula kerpat ru yo lampang jong ke yeng dorbar ban penduk ya kum gini gijat jinglong hapo ke yeng dorbar. Conrad ula ong susu ba ulat ke jela uklem le yakani dai namar bo ukwa ban le henrei ule yakani dai namar bo ushem jing ban pule ha ke Ktien pareng badula ong ru bakani ke jingle kumni ban persha ka Pynpaw ya ke Jingbym Burom yo ulat ke jela badru ya ke yeng dorbar thawan.
Not the behavior that is expected of an elected member. Mr. Speaker, sir, this is not the behavior expected of the elected member. The Honourable Speaker, the Honourable Governor is addressing the House.
Stop the Governor.
The Honourable Governor is addressing the House.
We are
This is
truly
not the
representing
kind
the
of
voice of the people of the state.
This is not the kind of
This
behavior
is against
expected
sentiment of the people.
of elected members.
The people of the state will not accept to be imposed. Language to be imposed on us.
Sir, the rules are
I
very
don't
clear.
understand what you are talking in Hindi.
The rules are very clear that if the written speech has been put in the House, the honourable members...
No. This is a
Honourable
design
members
from the
can-
government of India to start
there are
imposing on the
restrictions.
states.
If an individual is not
we know
able
what
to
is the
read
design.
English, then we cannot
No,
impose
sir.
it on the individual.
We will not allow
The
this.
written speech has been circulated in the House.
Yes,
And
but
therefore,
it
since
should
the
be
written speech
transacted
is
in English.
circulated in the House,
The rule is clear. The
so
rule is
therefore,
clear.
yes, and the rule also says
Rule
that
is
the written
clear.
speech should be given. Mr. Speaker, sir, I request that this kind of behavior should not be admitted. This is not the way the Honourable Governor
government
is
will have to
addressing the
think
House.
from now on.
This is not the kind of behavior that's expected of elected members. The written speech has been circulated
have to do
everybody.
anything.
And there is no reason why this
Self-respect
issue
of the
should be
state
made.
and its people is
If an
more
individual
important, we
has
cannot
got
compromise.
certain limitations in terms of not being able to speak or read a particular language, then we have to allow. Because the written speech has been circulated. It is not that the Honourable Governor
No,
is
we should
speaking,
allow this to become a
speaking
tradition.
only because he wants
Addressing
to
the
speak.
Meghalaya Legislative
He is
Assembly by
able to
Hindi.
read Hindi, he is not able to read English, and that's the limitation that is there. There is no reason that we should make
have
this
to
an issue.
understand that Meghalaya
He is
is
not
not a
doing it
Hindi-speaking
because he
state.
wants to do it. He is doing it because he has limitations of
Meghalaya
reading
is not a Hindi-speaking
not in
state.
English but in Hindi. And therefore the written speech has been circulated as per rules in English. And hence, as a respect, this is very, very sad to see that a disrespect like
It may
this
be
is being
sad, but
done
the people is
to
happy
the member, to
when
the
they see
Honourable
us
Governor of the
raising
House.
the sentiment
Therefore-
of the people before the House.
Therefore, it's very sad, and I request the members
We
not
respect
to,
the people
not
who
to-
elected
not
us.
to bring out an
We
issue
know
like
this
this.
is against the
This is
sentiment
not
of
the
the
way.
people of the state. The people of the state have not given us the mandate
sit down,
to
please?
speak in Hindi in
Would you
this
please
House.
sit down? Would you please take your seat?